We've looked at a digit's place and we've looked at its value. Like if I asked you, what place is the digit 3 in? You go ones, tens, hundreds. What place is that? That is in the hundreds place. But what is the value of that? What is it worth? It's worth 300s. That's 100, 200. Its value is 300. Now I want to shift gears a little bit and I want to talk about different forms of numbers. You are used to seeing numbers in this form. That's the regular form. That is the standard form that you see numbers in. It's standard. That's how you see them written. We also have word form and expanded form. Now, I know it's pretty early in 3rd grade, but if I ask you, words, what do you think when I say that it's word form for a number? It means you're probably going to use words. That's right. So you have in your math folder something that can help you spell correctly if you're worried about that. I don't worry about that too much. I'm just going to say this number out loud to myself. 1,000, that comma means thousand, 1,321. Now I'm going to write that down in words. 1,000, I can't remember what I said. Let me go back and say it out loud again. 1,300, let me write that down, 300, let's see, 1,321. See, that's word form. That's not hard. We just use words. Now, expanded form. I know you saw this in 3rd grade as well. What I like to do for expanded form is I like to put that back in those houses that I was telling you about. Here's the place value house that we've got going. Ones, tens, hundreds, ones, tens, hundreds. We don't have any of those, so I didn't worry about it. The way I like to do expanded form is I bring the first digit in the number down, 1, so I bring that down, and I turn everything else to 0. Now I go to the next column and I bring down a 3 and turn everything else to 0. Can you figure out? Next I'm going to bring down a 2, turn everything to 0, and then bring down a 1. I'm not finished yet. I do want to double check. This number, does it look the same as the diagonal? 1, 3, 2, 1. 1, 3, 2, 1. It does. So expanded form is then when I add all these up horizontally. I'll just put them all in a row. 1,000 plus 300 plus 200 plus 1 equals 1,321. This is expanded form. Do you see why I'd say expanded? It got fatter, it got bigger, it expanded. It was a bigger, it took more space in order to write that. Word form, you use words. Expanded form, it takes up more space, it expands when you write it. And then standard form, that's regular, everyday, what you're used to seeing form. Those are the 3 forms that we have for our numbers.